In this video, we will see how to get almost 70% off in 10 Web, which is an amazing AI tool to make websites. To get this discount, click on the first link in this video's description and follow along with me. First, click on Login or Sign In and create your account here. After you log in, go to the pricing section. You can see that we have 3 pricing plans with different benefits. You can compare these benefits and decide on a plan that suits your needs. On the top, if you click on monthly, you can see that the prices are set to default. But if you select annual, you can see that the prices are reduced by 50%, and we can still get more discount. Select your plan and click on Buy Now. You will be redirected to the payment page. Here, we have the option to add a promo code. Click on it and type WPISM, and then click here on Apply. You can see that we have received a 20% discount, and we already received a 50% discount by selecting the annual plan, making it almost a 70% discount. You can now enter the remaining details and complete your payment. If you want to know about another amazing AI tool to make a website, then check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such AI-related videos. Thanks for watching.